Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make your outdoor cleaning tasks easier and more efficient, the Cordless Brushless Leaf Blower. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into the details. This cordless leaf blower is designed with a powerful brushless motor that reaches an impressive no-load speed of up to 23,000 revolutions per minute. This means it can produce a maximum wind speed of 620 miles per hour and an air volume of 150 cfm, making it a formidable tool for clearing leaves, dust, and even snow from your property. One of the standout features of this leaf blower is its dual 4.0Ah batteries. These batteries can be used and charged at the same time, providing a seamless experience. They fully charge in just 2 hours and offer over 100 minutes of runtime at the lowest speed setting. This extended runtime is perfect for those longer cleaning sessions when you need to tackle a large yard or garden without interruptions. Plus, these detachable batteries are compatible with other tools from the same brand, allowing you to maximize your investment across different outdoor equipment. Another noteworthy aspect is the 5 speed modes available on this leaf blower. You have 4 regular wind speeds for everyday cleaning, and then there's the turbo mode, which ramps up the wind speed to a powerful 620 miles per hour. Whether you're dealing with stubborn debris or heavy snow accumulation, the turbo mode has you covered. This leaf blower is also designed with user comfort in mind. It comes with an adjustable shoulder strap that helps transfer weight to your core, significantly reducing arm fatigue during extended use. The rubber handle absorbs vibration, making it more stable and safer to operate, which is a thoughtful touch for anyone who spends a lot of time using power tools outdoors. Now, who is this leaf blower suitable for? If you're a homeowner with a yard that collects leaves in the fall, or if you live in an area where snow can become a hassle in the winter, this tool is designed for you. It's also great for landscapers or anyone who performs regular outdoor maintenance. The versatility of this product makes it applicable for various cleaning tasks, from clearing dry and lightweight leaves to managing wet leaves, small stones, gravel, and even snow. In practical use cases, you can easily switch between the included nozzles. The round nozzle is perfect for focused airflow on tougher debris, while the flat nozzle is ideal for sweeping away dry leaves and dust efficiently. Whether you're prepping your yard for a party or just maintaining your outdoor space, this leaf blower can take the effort out of the equation. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and versatile leaf blower, the Cordless Brushless Leaf Blower might just be the solution you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.